Yes. Now we are going to see about all about tuples, like what is tuple, differences with a list. Okay. So first thing, the important thing is Python provides another type, that is ordered collection. So Python provides another type, another type, type another type, that is an ordered collection. So now here, what is this ordered collection? Ordered collection of object. What is this? It is called, this type is called what? Tuple. Tuple. Another one, what we have seen list. List is also ordered, right? Why I'm saying it is ordered, I will show you in ideally. Why it is ordered? Whatever we are writing, exactly the same output we are getting, right? Like we are writing here a is equal to, in the list we are writing 1 2 3 comma 4 5 6. Now print a, and now if I'm executing it, what I'm getting, whatever I have executed, same thing I'm getting, right? This is called ordered. Okay. Now in the same way, if I write it in the tuple also, it is same. Okay, that is called ordered. This is first point. Python provides another type, that is also an ordered collection. It is called tuple. Now let's see how this tuple is getting created. Tuples are identical to what? Lists. Lists and tuple are same, but few things makes it different, except few things, except for few properties, except for few reasons. Let's see what are the reasons which makes the tuple different from list. Okay. Now first one is creating of tuple. How we create? By using circular bracket, this part, this is. But list, how we are creating list? Square bracket. Okay, this one. Second one is very important one, that is tuples are immutable. So I guess you all know what is immutable. Can anyone tell me what is immutable? Tuples are immutable.
We can't add or remove any elements from the list.
It cannot be changed.
Correct. It can't be changed. Only these two are main reasons. These two are, one is creating of a tuple. Tuple is created by this round brackets, and then second one is tuples are immutable, can't be changed. Okay, but lists are mutable. This up to here, it is very important. Okay, so I hope you understood. Now let's see one more thing, the advantages. Advantages of tuple over list. How this tuple is advantageous over list. Now first one is the program execution is faster when manipulating a tuple than it is equivalent what? List. First one is faster, you can say. Program execution is faster. That's it. It is faster. Now second one is they prevent accidental modification. Means we cannot do any modification, right? Because they are immutable. And third one is, as it is immutable, we can take them as as they are immutable, we can take them as keys. This can act as keys in dictionary. Okay, these are the reasons. These are the reasons we can say that this is advantages of tuple over a list. Okay. Now next point is creating. So let's see how to create a tuple. How to create a tuple. Now one more thing is it contains what? Heterogeneous. So can you tell me what is meaning of heterogeneous? Yes, anyone? It contains heterogeneous elements.
Different kinds of data.
Different data types, correct. Elements. It can contain heterogeneous, like a list also done the same thing. Now, how to create a empty tuple? So let's see how we can create an empty tuple. Empty tuple can be created like this. A is equal to just like this. Now let's see whether it is tuple created or not. Now A is equal to this, and then I'm printing what? Type of A. Now with this we can understand whether it is which kind of collection concept. So is it confirmed what it is? It is tuple. So like this we can find out this is a empty tuple. How to create an empty tuple? Yes. So this is how we do create empty tuple. Now once empty tuple is created, now I wanted to give some integers in this. So we can pass integer values. Integers. So how we can do integers? Same thing here. Now in this, just what I'm doing is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm just printing here A. See, I got my tuple with the integers, all numbers, numeric values. Yes, so this is with the numbers. Now I wanted to give some mixed data type. Is done. Creating empty tuple is done. With integers is also done. Again now, mixed data type. Tuple with mixed data types. Now how we can do this with mixed data type? Let's see here. Yeah, in this I'm writing 1, hello, and then here 89.001, comma, this. Now let's see whether it is working or not. Is it working with the mixed data types? Yes, guys. So with the mixed data type is also it is working. So this is how we create what? Tuple. Yes. Now I have a question for you all. Up to here we have seen how to create a data type, how to create a collection of tuples with integers, with mixed data type, all this. Now you have to guess the output. Now if I'm writing here A is equal to 2, and then I'm writing here print A, and then I wanted to print the type of this, print type of A. Okay, can you guess the output of this? Yes, guys, I wanted you all to just guess the output of this. What would be the output?
Two on tuple, sir.
And tuple.
Okay, how many of you are saying 2 and tuple? Raise your hands. Like tap, is it? Okay, tuple. All are saying tuple except Venkatesh, or someone said int also. Okay, Venkatesh is saying int. Yeah, smart Venkatesh. So see here, if I'm just copying this and then I'm pasting it here. Now let's see the magic. What I got? Is it tuple or int?
Int.
Yeah, why it is int? Guys,
Type, sir.
type is int. Why it is int? See here, it can be integer, right? 2 is an integer, but this is what the type is int. But just you keep a separate comma, one comma, and try to check what it is. The output for this is int. The type is, yeah, here. It is int. This is int, guys. Now, just what you have to do here is just modify this and keep a comma here. Now you try to execute this. With the help of just one comma, it became what? Tuple. So what is the meaning of this? How to create a first element in tuple. Now we have small theory part here. Let's see that. To tell Python that we really want to define what a singleton tuple means, one element. Singleton tuple. Singleton means what? Only one element present in the tuple. So comma include a trailing comma. Before the closing, we are using on just comma before the closing parenthesis. Closing parenthesis. Okay, so this is what a small theory. If I wanted to make it tuple, we are just adding what? A small comma, and it becomes what? Tuple. So now with the help of the comma, it became tuple. Yes. Now this is it clear for everyone? Guys, up to here it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to see something very important, and if interviewer is asking about tuple, he will damn sure he's going to ask this concept. So the concept name is what is the concept name, guys? Yes. What it is? It is packing and
packing.
Yeah, packing and unpacking. How we are packing and how it is unpacked. This is important concept. Now let's understand first packing. Now packing and unpacking is another thing. This is also another thing which sets tuples apart, means different from list. Okay, so packing and unpacking, this is also one of the concept which is different in list. In list we are not seeing this. Now before this, I just wanted to know, let's see here. If I'm writing like this, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and print A. Can you tell me what would be the output?
The elements of A print will be printed.
It will be printed what? A, B, C,
All the elements.
1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it printing? See here. It came in the form of what?
Parenthesis.
Means what? Tuple only, right?
Double.
Yeah. So even if we are not giving by default, it is taking as tuple. So let's see here. First, we are going to see about packing. Packing. What is packing? Packing is a simple syntax. Let us create tuples. How it is allowing us to create tuples? This note point, you need to note this. Tuples on the fly. On the fly. What is the meaning of on the fly? Without using normal notation. Normal notation. Without using what? Normal notation. On the fly. Now, example is just now I have shown you. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this is not normal, right? Here we are not using this, but this is equal to what? This is equal to A is equal to tuple of 1, 2, 3. Yes. So like this also we can write. These both are equal. Understood? Now what is happening in this? Yes, in this what I have written, I have given what? 1, 2, 3. There are many values. Many values. What is happening here? Many values are assigned in one variable. Yes, this is called what? Packing. Assigned in one variable. Like I can create many others. Like for example,
Sir, many
yes?
means more than one enough, sir.
What? Yes, Shiva. Come again.
Many ante more than one unte chala, sir.
Correct. More than one. So see here, we can create all this. So these all are many. Many are stored in where? To store many things, we need some collection concept, right? Like list, tuple. But here we are not using this one. This one we are not using. Automatically it is taking. Internally it is taking. So here 5. See here. So this is what the example of it. So I guess you all understood what is packing. Packing means many things many values we are storing in one variable in a on the fly mode. On the fly means without using normal notation. Understood, guys? Packing. I guess you understood the packing. Now let's go with the unpacking. Unpacking. Now let's see what is unpacking. Now we can also go the other way and unpack the values from the tuple. Unpack the values from tuple into separate variables. Separate variables. So now unpacking means we already know it's a common general word. Pack and unpack. So we are taking one by one value. So see here, a is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is what packing is done. Now I wanted to unpack. Now x, y, z is equal to what? A. So what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Everything is getting stored, right? In one is getting stored in x, 2 is getting stored in y. So after running the code, what happens? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. Yes or no? You can also check once. You can say that the values of the tuple A is unpacked into what? 3 variables. 3 variables it is unpacked. What are those 3 variables? X, y, z. Now in this there is one node point. We'll see that node point, but we'll execute this one first. Here. Now print x, y, z. X, y, z, it is giving me what? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yes, guys. So I guess you understood. Here it is what it is done here. This is what? Pack. And in the next line itself, it is unpacking. Means what is unpacking? Means we are separating one value in one variable. So this is done. Yeah. But here we have a node point. The node point is important here. The node point is note that the number of variables has to exactly match. It has to match. What it has to match? The number of elements in the tuple. Or there will be an exception. It will be error, or we can say exception. So what it is saying here is, now for example, here it is 3 and here I am giving only x and y. Now in this case, what will be the output? Let's see. It is giving me what? Error, right? So this is giving me error. It means what? It should be same. It should match. Otherwise, we'll get what? Error. Done, guys. So I guess you understood about packing and unpacking. Have you understood? Yes, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in the same way, this packing and unpacking is also it is also done in swapping of two variables. Swapping of internally. So we need to understand what is internally it is happening. Let's see the internal story of it. How it is happening internally. In the code, the variable A is what just used as temporary store for a tuple. Temporary store for a tuple. So what I mean is, here it is Z here. Now here this A is what temporary we are using this A. In the place of A, I can directly write XYZ. Yes, that's what it is saying. So that is one thing, first point. Second point is, we can leave the middleman and do this. How we can do this? X comma Y comma Z is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Like this also we can do, right? After running this code also, we will be getting what? After running this code, we will get the value assigned for X and Y. For X, how much? 1. Y also 2. And Z also 3. Same thing. So now here, let's see what is happening internally. Up to here, I guess you understood. It means what? We can skip the A part. Okay. Now, let's see here. First thing, first, the values are packed. Packed where? Into a tuple. Packing is done. How the packing is done? In this, packing is what? 1 comma 2 comma 3. First packing is done. And how this packing is done? X comma Y comma Z is equal to what it is? 1 comma 2 comma 3. Yes. Now, what is the next step? Next part is, now next the tuple is assigned to the left hand of the sign equal to sign. Next, the tuple is assigned to the left hand side of what? Of assignment operator of equal to sign. So what is the meaning of this left side? So left side means what? Left, whatever the left it is there, that is assigned first. Okay. So left is what? X. 1 is for X, 2 is for Y, like this. So what we can do here, we can write here like this: 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now here 1 is assigned for what? X, and 2 is assigned for Y, and the 3 is assigned for Z. Okay, this is what happening when I'm saying 1 comma 2 comma 3. So this is the inner story. From left it is assigned. Now, what are the other things can be also done with this swapping of two numbers? swapping of two variables. Now in this, for example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Guys, you all know what is the meaning of swapping. After swapping, what will be the value? Guys, yes, you all are listening.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what will be the value after swapping? After
B is
swapping,
equal to 20, B is equal to 10. 1 into 1 change from 1 into
after swapping, A will be how much?
20.
And B will be
10.
10. Yes. But now how this swapping is going to be done? So let's see. This part I'm removing as of now. But you understood, right? Swapping means. So now I'm writing B comma A is equal to A comma B. If I write like this, will it be okay? Will it be swapped? Now let's see. Let's see here. Print comma B. Now 20 comma 10. We got it. So it is perfectly working. How it is working? Because of the same principle of packing and unpacking. Okay. Same thing. This is also working on the principle of packing and unpacking. Packing and unpacking. Yes. This is also working on packing and unpacking. If you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Now here we can return multiple values, but functions concept we have not learned, so we are skipping that function. Now see here, accessing the tuples. How to access? Accessing the tuple. How we can access the tuples? We have two ways. First one is print. First one is direct by print function. Second one is subscript operator. Script operator. And then third one is slice operator. Slice operator. Yes. So by these three ways we can access a tuple. Now let's see first one. I'm writing just values. Values is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. Now this I wanted to access directly. I'm using what? Print. Inside the print what? Values. Yes. So this will work. See, I can able to access this. This is done. Now similarly, we can use what? Subscript operator. How we can use subscript operator? You already know. How in second case we can use what? Indexing. What are the indexing we have in this? Positive and negative. Positive indexing starts with
0 and -1.
Starts with 0 and backward, forward and backward.
-1.
Negative indexing Yeah, starts with -1. -1, yes.
Then add her into this
Now,
conference.
for example, this is first one is done. Now let's access by subscript operator. My num is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, all this. Now if I'm using what print my num of 0. What I will get? What is the output I will get?
It's 10.
Now for this, if I'm
Yeah.
writing here
Yes.
-1, now
50.
let's see that. Yes. So this is what? This is an example of what?
Subscript.
Yeah, subscript operator.
Am I audible in the call?
Yes. Now we can also use what? Slicing operator. Yes, can we use slicing operator in this? Example, if I'm writing here colon, if I wanted to print, for example, if I'm writing 1:4. Now can you tell me what are the output? What will be the output?
Yeah.
20 and 40.
40. 20 to 40. Yeah. So from 20 to 40. Okay. So this is what subscript operator. Not subscript. It is slicing operator. Sorry. So slicing is also we have seen. Yes. So we have seen all three. Now let's see how to access by the help of loops concept. So what are the loops are available in Python? Yes, guys.
So if
If
for
Yeah.
if is a conditional statement, na?
for loop while
For and while accessing tuple elements using what? While loop. While loop. Now see here my num is equal to, I'm giving some number here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah. And then now what I'm going to do here is I wanted to print everything. So what I'm doing here is I'm making use of length function. N is equal to len of my num. What can you tell me what would be the length of this?
6.
5.
Length means total number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer 6 is right. So the 6 we are storing where? In the n. Okay. And now we are taking I is equal to 0. First one. And here I'm taking while. In this while I'm giving the condition I is less than n. Means 0 is less than n. N is what? Length of it. Now once it is less, then what I'm doing here, print. What I'm printing? My num I. In the my num, I am giving I here. Means 0, 1, 2, 3. Like as per the indexing order, it will print. Okay. Now after this, what I need to give? I need to give the update statement, right? Otherwise, it will be into like infinity. So how I get I is equal to I plus 1. Now let's execute this code and check whether it is working or not. Control C, Control V. Is it working? Yeah, it is perfectly working. So this is how we do access the tuple elements by using what? While. Understood, everyone? Yes. Now we'll see with the for loop. How to do with the for loop? Same thing, but we need to use what? For syntax. Accessing tuple elements using for loop. Yes. Now here, let's see. My num again. Okay. Now in this, what we need to do is directly for. Have you remembered the for syntax or you forgot? Guys, respond.
Control. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for some variable we have to give for x in. In is what? Membership operator in my num. Okay, and then colon, and what we are printing here? Print x. Yeah, simple code it is. Now in the for loop we have to use only sequence. If you write any integer now, it will not work. Yeah, so that is what on node point, and that is I'm writing in hash node. What is the node here? Since tuple is a sequence type, so for loop can iterate over individual elements. Now let's see the output here. So it is not only this, we can write anything. Like for example, I have written names Shiva, and here it is Venkatesh, Sujit, and then here Vamshi, and then my name. Here we have something like this, Pandey. Okay. Now everyone, all the names we can able to print it, right? So this is how it happened with the help of this for loop. So this is just an example. Instead of numbers, I have done with a string words. Guys, how many of you are done? Like you understood? Yes. So I just up to now, things your understanding, is it clear? Yes. So if the things are clear, just comment yes, it is understood. Type understood. One. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 answers I got. That is good. As we are 5, 4. Everyone have answered. Good guys. I understood your understanding. Now we have few more concepts. Let's learn them also. Yeah. So now here I have a question for you all. So I'm giving you a question. I wanted you to try to solve it. Okay. And tomorrow in the tomorrow's class I will discuss about it. So the question is Q. The question, given the tuple below represents what? It is representing what? Arjit Singh song. Arjit Singh sings songs. Arjit Singh. Which movie? Arjit Singh's movie Ashiki. 2 songs. Ashiki 2 songs. Now you have to write the code. Write code to print the album details, followed by listing of the track in the album, listing of all the tracks, listing of the tracks in the album. Now the album is equal to, in this album we have so many songs, like we have Ashiki 2, comma, again here, yes, Arjit Singh, comma, and in this we are having what? First song. The first song is Tum Hi Ho. Tum Hi Ho. Okay. This is done. Now second song is what? Second one is again one more tuple. Second one is Chahu Main Ya Na. Let me write it here. Chahu Main Ya Na. Chahu Main Ya Na. Yes. Is it visible to all? Chahu Main. Just here it is Chahu Main Ya Na. That's it. This is the second one. And then comma. Yes, in the next line I'm writing here. This is another tuple. This is third one. Third one is Meri Ashiki. Meri Ashiki. And the fourth one is four, comma, it is Asa Nahi Yaha, and then I'm closing everything. So now this is the question, guys, and how the output should be. I'm writing that output also. Output. How should be the output? How the output should be is in this way. The output should be like this. title. In the title it should be like Ashiki 2, and then after title what we have year, like for example 2023, and then singer, who is singer? Arijit Singh is a singer. And then songs, Arijit Singh is a song. And then here it is song name, song number 1, comma, song name. What is song name? First song, Tum Hi Ho. Second one, again here, song number. What is song number? It is 2. Song name, Chahu Mai Yana. Okay. Song number, again it is 3. Song name. What is next song name? Meri Ashiki. So like this, it should be. The output number is 4, and then song name Aasa Nahi Yahan. So guys, this is like this. I wanted the output. It should be in this way. So see here, the output and the question both is in front of you. If you want, you can take a picture of it, and you need to try to solve this. Any doubt in this? Yes? Anyone? So this is the question. In this format, I wanted to get the output by using what? This tuple. So guys, you understood? Like, have you taken this question? You can take a pic of it. So how we are separating it? See here, it is given just in album. In album, how it is given everything, that we are making separate like this in a good format. It is better to see it. Okay. So this is done. This is exercise for you all. Try it now. Now we'll see slicing operator. Slice operator with tuple. Now already you know about slicing. Directly we'll do some examples. Okay. Some good examples we'll do. Let's see. First one. Num is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now print my num 2 colon 2. Can you tell me what is the output of this? Yes, what would be the output for this? Anyone?
30.
How much? 30?
Yes.
How 30? Like it is starting with a 2, means 0, 1, 2. Okay, 30. But it is ending there only, na? Like 2. 2 means less than 1. So it is going in which reverse direction, right? See, for example, 2 means what? Starting 2 means it is starting from 30. From 30 it will start. But 2 means what? 0, 1, 2. 2 means here only. But we are not taking the exact to this 2. We are taking 1 minus. So it is going here. But it has
20.
to go. But it has to go where? From left to right it has to go, right?
Yes.
So default it should go from left to right. left to right. But it is because of this, it is going on from right to left, which is not good. So in this way, the output is what? Empty tuple. Once you check. Second question. Output, no? Output will take here. What is the output for this? It is empty. Are you getting the output? Let's see here. It is, yeah, indentation. Empty we got, right? Yes, we are getting what? Empty. Now can you answer for this? Print same one. My num is remaining same to all. Print my num in this 6:10. Now can you guess the output here? Anyone? Now again print.
Empty. It's also empty.
Also empty. Why it is empty? Because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to here it is 4 only, but here it is asking you 6. So it is empty. Correct. Now second one, third one. My num in this, if I'm writing here colon -2, this is, can you guess what would be the output for this third print? Yeah, guess the output for this. This one means what? Same, this remaining same.
40.
See here, it is -2, right? So if it is not, we are not giving anything here, means by default it will take what? 0. So see here, what is happening is by default it is 0. 0 means what? It will take up to 0 means 10, 20 from here up to where? -2. So -2 means what? Here it is -1. 40 is -2. Yes.
40.
40 is -2 is 40 last.
Yes.
But when it is minus, we are taking always one more minus. So exactly not 40, it should be 30. So the answer should be what? 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Understood, everyone? Or should I explain it again? And how about this answer? This is starting only -2. -2 means this 40. And from 40, it should go always where? When it is 40, it should go from left to right. So 40 and 50. Now, just check it out whether it is giving us a right answer or not. What we have written, colon -2. Yes, exactly same. First -2, -2, 40 and 50. Yeah. So it is done. Now we already know step value. So I guess you all already know about step value in slicing. Step value.
Yes.
So what is the step value?
Differences between zero.
It is a progression, how the sequence should move. So for this we have few points to remember. If you remember these points, make down the notes, then we can solve the step value problems also. So now those are, first one is movement. Movement is in forward direction. So in forward direction, how it will go? Left to right. Left to right. So let me mention here left. Left to right. Okay. Now, first point. These are important points. You have to make a note. In the movement is in forward direction means what? Left to right. Okay. Now here in this, the default for start is 0. Default, when it is not given, it is default as what? 0. And if it is end is also not given, then it is end is length. It will take total. If it is not given the end or a 0 or a start and end, if it is not given, by default it will take what? 0, start, and end is length of it. Okay. So that is second point. If step is negative, then if step is negative, then let's see what is happening. So here step is negative, the movement is in which direction? Backward direction. So the movement is in backward direction. Okay. So it is what? Right to left. Now in this case, what is the default? Default for start. From backward direction, default for the start is what? -1, right? And end. What is the default for the end? End is minus length plus 1. Length plus 1. This is a important note point, guys. You need to remember this. Based on this, we can work on this. Few examples. Okay. Now let's see one example for this. I'm copying the same thing here. So now I need to include what? 3 things. So let me include the 3 things. 1 colon 4 colon 0. Can you give me what is the output for this? Can you try it? I can print. 1 4 colon 2. Try the output for this. Yes, guys, can anyone? Here we are starting with what? Here we are starting with 1. 1 is what? 0 and 1 means 20. Okay. Now 20 we are starting, and up to where we are going till 4. 0, 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, right? So 1 less than that. Up to 40 we are going. So 20 to 40 up to here, like up to starting and ending. But here we have 0. 0 means what? So the step value cannot be 0. If it is 0 means it will throw what? Error. So now it will be giving us what? Error. Value error. It means what? Step value can't be, step value cannot be what? 0. Yes. Now at least you can tell me this second print. Yes guys, what is the second print? Second print means 1. Guys, you all are listening? Yes. Yeah. So first one is what? 0, 1. 1 is what? 20. Until where it is going? Till 40. But how it is going in the form of 2, 2. So first it is. So what can the output for this, guys? 1. 1 means what? 20. Okay. And it is going till 4. 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. So 5 is a 4, but 1 is less than that, 40. So 20 and 1, it will skip 30 and it will again print what? 40. So what will be the output? 20 comma 40. And now let's see the next one. It is 1. If it is here 4, 4 is starting, and then here it is 1, and here also it is 1. Now can you tell me what is the output? Four means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. Now we cannot go here, right? We cannot go towards right because nothing is there. Here, from here we are starting, but it is asking us to go to what? 1. Is it possible to go to 1 again? No, right? So it means what? Here it is empty. Yeah. Then once again 4. Let me give it here 4, 1, and then here it is -1. So just remember that -1, whenever it comes, it is reverse. It makes the things reverse. So now same thing, but here we have did it what? -1. Now let's see what is the output. 4 means what? 50, and it is going till 1. Yes, till 1. So what is the meaning of this till 1? And it is going in reverse direction. Reverse direction it is going, because it is -1 here we have. So 4 to 1 it is going. 1 means what? Here it is. So 50, it will cover 50, 40. This is 50 is on which index? Fourth index. Fourth index, third index. Then again, second index. Yes, second index is done. Now when the second index is done, that's it, right? It cannot go to this first index. It is written here, but it should go 1 minus, right? 1 minus. So 1 minus 4 to 1, 1 minus. So it is what? Up to second index only. So the output should be here how much? 50. The output is 50, comma 40, comma 30. Why? Because it is in a minus negative. So we are going in reverse direction. So I guess this is done. And we have last 2 print statements. After that, we'll wind up the session. Print. Here it is. colon, and colon. Can you guess what is the output for this by default? As nothing is given by default, everything is the output, same. So what is the output here? In the tuple 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes. And this one, if I'm making it as -1, and here it is, nothing is there, and here is also nothing is there. So ending, starting I'm not given anything, ending is also not given anything. So by default it will take what? Starting is from 0, ending is still length of this. And as it is -1, it will reverse the elements, reverse the order. So now what will be the output here? The output is in 50, 40, 30, 20, and then 10. So this is about what? Slicing. Yes. Slicing. Yeah. So guys, we are done with this, and I'm stopping the record.